Okay, what happened that?
I answered for all the questions,
Okay,
and
good.
one program they asked me to write this one palindrome thing.
Okay, good. Okay.
Yeah, but still I didn't get anything from their end.
Okay, what about Accenture?
Accenture, I didn't got any call from
Okay, not
that.
Cognizant.
Uh, Today it could have Accenture and Quantify.
Okay.
Accenture they didn't call me. Quantify I have attended.
Okay, still you're waiting for a Cognizant round also. That is already you gave, right? Long back.
Yes, already I have given. I'm waiting for their reply actually.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Anyway, good. Okay, fine. At least you're
I
getting
was
something.
waiting for the reply because I answered for all the questions, all those things, right? So I'm hoping that it will come, but I don't know exactly.
Okay, might be all are busy with these strikes and all, I
Yeah.
think so.
Today they have us call about React only. Means small questions only. Like what is meant by React, what is meant by state,
Okay, at least
properties.
you answered good.
Yeah, I answered for all the questions.
Good, good, good. Okay.
Yeah.
Only
They said
hands-on
that
required, that's all.
yes, and they asked me to write this palindrome using C programming.
See,
Yes.
who knows it and all. That is very true.
So that thing that thing I have answered. So I'm still waiting for the reply.
Okay, okay, good, good. Fine, fine.
Okay.
Let me start the node and all. Okay,
Okay.
2 minutes. Hi, Jay. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi. How is your practice, Jay?
Sir, doing
Okay, good, good. Okay. Let me open our repository. We will, okay, just 2 minutes. According to us, it is 7 p.m. Yes. So just we completed Node core modules and Node third-party modules, few of them at least. I think I hope you got some idea about Node environment right now. Okay. Let me move to the some extent that is Express. Okay. Later I'll tell you why we require Express. Okay. What is the need of Express? What is the features of Express? Everything I'll deliver you. Let me go to the hands-on first. Let me go to the hands-on first. Okay. Let's create one Express server. Let's create one Express server. Let me, it's better. I'm going to do some new one. Let me create a new project, new folder, Node 3, Node.js 3. I'm taking this one. So let me move to the Node.js 3. Anyway, I'm going to answer all your questions like why we required Express, what is the need of Express, and features of Express. Already we have Node is there. Why we have to use Express and all everything. You'll get one idea. Okay. Let me move to our folder, new folder, Node.js 3. Okay, fine. I move here only. Let me initiate the project npm init hyphen y. I'm taking this one. Okay. Now, so let me learn something hands. So already we created one server using HTTP. We created server, right? I hope you got idea. So in this, we already created. I think we created one server. I think so. Yes. Here nothing is there. Express server we created or not? Mm, okay, go ahead. This one. Yeah, we created Express server actually. See, this is we are using HTTP core module, built-in module to using this. We created the server. We created the server. So you will get one idea immediately. Don't worry. Let me move to our folder only. Go to the Node.js 3.1. Okay, just we initiated the one project npm init -y. So it's created one empty one package.json file. Now come to the point. So why we required Express.js? What is Express.js? Let me move to something Express.js. So what is Express.js? So the name itself, Node.js web framework. What is this one? Simply it is Node.js web framework. If you want to build a web application or a server programming, definitely we have to use Node.js recommended Express framework. Express framework. Okay, Express.js is a one web framework, web application framework to develop the web application backend, to develop the web application backend. So let me understand. Already Node is there. What is a Node actually? Node is a runtime environment, JavaScript runtime build. But Express is the web application web application framework. Okay, web application framework. Let me try this one. So go to the detailed way. Express. Okay, so Express.js. What is this one? Express.js, Node.js, Node.js web application framework, web application framework. Okay, so let me go to the detailed manner. Detailed manner. It's a free open source web application framework for Node.js. Okay, it is a free and open source web application framework. So using this, we are designing and building the web applications quickly and easily. Okay, so let me understand. Suppose, right, take small example here. Suppose if you want to build one web application, suppose it, for building, design and build and deploy using Node.js, suppose it's taking 100 days. If you are using Express.js, we can build 50 days only. You can build 50 days only. You can build 50 days only. Just assuming this one. Just assume this one. Suppose if you want to build one web application with Node.js, it will take 100 days for assume this one. But in case of Express.js, we are reducing the half of the time only. We are going to reducing the half of the time only. We are going to reducing the half of the time only. That is a very effective way. Okay. So we are going to build single and multi-page and hybrid web applications using Express.js. Okay. Let me understand this one more thing. So normal, right? Already Node.js, right? Already Node.js way we have, if you want to create server, already HTTP module is there and URL routing and all URL is there and a lot of core modules and third party modules are there. Third party modules are there. But what happened now? But still we have the some lag is there to to write the proper web application framework, to proper the web application framework. That's why Node is recommended Express. Node is recommended Express framework, Express web framework, Express web framework to develop the applications, to develop the application. This is again Express is based on JavaScript only, based on JavaScript only. So we are going to it's basically it is helps the programmers to build the efficient and fast web applications. Okay, definitely. So the Express.js is right, very helping to the programmers to build efficient and fast web applications. Okay, you're getting small idea right now. Basically, Node is a runtime build. Actually, Node is the name itself. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime build. Nothing but JavaScript playground only. JavaScript runtime build. JavaScript runtime build on V8 engine. Okay, V8 engine, Java, Chrome V8 engine actually. It is a runtime environment. And definitely if you want to develop backend applications, we required, Express.js is required. We required Express.js. So main objective of Express.js is make using Express.js, we are going to very simple. Routing is very easy. Routing is very easy, and we are developing the backend APIs very effectively. Very effectively. So are you getting this two? For this two only we are using Express. For this two only we are using Express. Okay. So let me take small examples now, one by one. You'll get one idea. Let me take a features of Express.js. Features of Express.js. Okay, we are going to develop the fast server-side development. Okay, very fast actually. Comparatively Node.js, very fast actually to develop the server-side programming. Very fast, and moreover, using Express.js using Express.js, we are treating Express.js as a middleware actually. Middleware like I'll tell you this one, you'll get one idea. Okay, so like if you want to use cars or body parser very effectively, we can use. Okay, routing is very simple here. Routing is very simple here. In case of normal Node.js, we have to use URL module to route your API URLs. Okay, and it's supporting lot of template supports also, lot of template supports also. Okay, nothing but EJS template support and J template support kind of thing only. Okay, anyway this is not right, not required. Anyway all people are using either Angular or React nowadays. Okay, now, and debugging is very easy here. Debugging is very easy. Debugging is very easy. Okay, so we are going to develop the applications very fast actually. We are going to we are going to develop the applications very fast. Okay, basically this all features, if you want to implement Node.js, very difficulty. As a developer or a programmer, we need to spend much time or we need to do some research on the Node.js programming. But if you are using third-party model like Express.js, we are going to effectively writing the like effectively writing the server programming, server side programming, server side programming. Okay, this is a small introduction about Express.js. Then how to use Express.js in your project. How to use Express.js in your project. Express.js in a very simple, that is go to root npm install Express. So we are going to install the Express.js from npm npmjs.com npmjs.com. We are installing the Express.js. Okay, it is installing the our project folder, node modules folder. Okay, to using this, we are going to create the Express app. Express app. Let me create one server first. Let me create one Express server or Express app. Let's create the Express server or Express app. Express server or app. Let me create that one. You'll get one idea. You'll get one complete idea. This one. Yeah, Jay, any doubts as of now?
No, sir.
Okay, let me just go to this one. Swati. Okay, let me, yeah, npm. I'm installing in here only npm Express. See this one, right now there is no dependencies. I'm installing the Express. I'm installing the Express. So if you, I'm installing the Express.js. So let me try with the npm js.com and I'm searching the package name. It is a global package registry Express. Okay, I'm getting the one exact match. How to install this one? Okay, Express.js, fast, unoptionated, minimalistic web framework for Node. Okay, clearly telling this, and you can see the stacks also. Will get one good idea. Okay, so just now completed the installation, and I have the dependencies section we created, and dependency section Express also is there. Let me create a small program for this. Let me create one app.js. Okay, one app.js. Okay, so here I'm writing ES5 code only. ES5 code. Immediately after some time, I'm going to write ES6 code also. You will get one idea. So here 331 files are there just now. So I don't want to push to my repository, code repository. That's why I'm going to creating one dot git ignore file. Dot git ignore file. Let me how to, I don't want to push my node modules folder to my GitHub. So I'm going to use node underscore my model folder's name. I'm giving this one like this. Definitely I have one or two files only. Completely save this one, NODE MODULES. Yeah, only 4 files only. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to push my node modules folder to my GitHub. Anyway, I don't want this one. Let me create. I'm going to write in the program in the as a programmer, I'm going to write the program in the fashion of ES5 only. Let me create, let it create. What is my objective? So create one server, using Express.js, not HTTP, not HTTP. So I'm going to use ES5 only. Express equal to require express. So what I want here, I want express package. Let create app equal to, express app. Okay, that's all. Your app is going to listen on the port number, some port number I'm going to pass. Any error is there, I'm going to throw the error. So let me this one, if any error is there, throw error. Otherwise, just I'm going to print something, console log C. So I'm using backtick. So server is running on port number. Okay, let me take something here. For template syntax. So I'm not using config env file values. Later I can use config env values also. So here I'm printing directly hard coding 8000 only. Okay. So basically, right. So only just I'm creating one express app. My app is listening port number 8000. So it is going to see any application we have the root is there. Usually, right. If you take it any application, usually, okay, what will happen, people will address our website like www.flipkart.com. So what is this one? This is my website root, or in our case localhost 8000 is root. Actually 8000 is root. 8000 is root. So this is a website root. This is a your local host root actually. So user is navigating to this request only. User is navigating to this request only. Let app.get, and I'm passing app.get. I'm passing root actually. My root is slash. I don't want anything. And usually, right? What we are user is doing actually. So nothing but browser. Okay, browser, he's going to request something, and request is processed, and we are sending the response to client. Just client is requesting something, service process the request and prepare the response, send the response to client, this is my client server. Okay, nothing but here, right? We need to pass request and response parameters to handle the this client server architecture, client server mechanism. I'm taking one callback function. Let me take callback function. Here I'm passing one request or UEST, sorry, request parameters or UEST, request and response, or ESPONC response. So here just inside a callback function, I'm writing some normal code only. I'm going to write normal code only. Let me try that one. You'll get one idea. Okay. Just what I'm doing here, just I'm passing something response dot send. I'm passing response dot send. Just I'm going to send some string only. Okay. Like express server express server running successfully success successfully successfully. Let me try this one. So let me how to start server. Basically execute app.js only. For this case, right, I'm going to simplify my work also. I don't want this test and all right now, and this message also right now. Just in the I'm going in my package.json file, in the script section, I want to start. Okay, which one, which file you want to start? My app.js. So how to execute this one? Using Node or NodeMon. Using Node or NodeMon. Already NodeMon is there in my system. I installed NodeMon globally. That's why I'm not installing especially. So separately, I'm not executing this one. Let me execute this one. So what is the command to execute your node backend application? npm start. npm start automatically. It is going to execute nodemon app.js. Nodemon app.js. So nodemon is there. It is going to compile my code app.js. So I'm getting some data. Server is running on port number 8000. Server is running on port number 8000. Let me run your server localhost. So 8000 localhost 8000. Yeah, I'm getting server. Express server is running successfully. I'm getting the response. I'm getting the response. I'm getting the proper response now. So as of now, all of you getting all these things.
Yes, sir.
Let's find. Let's check the code first. What we are writing line by line. So I'm writing what is this one statement line number 3. Constant express equal to required express. Nothing but this is a ES5 code only. Okay, ES5 code only. Let me Swati tell me ma.
Sir, here we are not exporting, sir.
Nothing but it is a import here. Export is not required, right? Just I have only one file na. Here there is no routing, nothing is there na right now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Nothing but here this is a just we are importing express here. That too it is a ES5 format only.
Yes, sir.
So
That's
let me
okay.
try. Yeah, let me write import
Uh,
express express equal to express from express. Okay, let import express from express. Let me try this one. From which file? Let me try this one. Express.
express.
Yes, express. Let me uncomment the line number 4 actually. And comment the line number 4. Now what is I'm getting one error. Export import express from express cannot use import statement outside a module. So I told you right. So let me go to the detailed manner. Let me go to the detailed manner. Take example here. We have different browsers we have like a Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser. Every browser we have some JavaScript engine is there. V8 engine is there, and let me here. I have the Mozilla Firefox, and even that one has a one JavaScript engine is there. Like what is this engine? And might be it is a Safari also is there. Safari also nothing but JavaScript core. And we have Microsoft Edge also is there. It has also some JavaScript engine is there. JavaScript engine is there. So let it take this one. Who is providing some standards to JavaScript? ECMA company is providing some standards. ECMA company. Basically, right? This all browsers are compatible to ES5 code only. ES5 code only. So as a programmer, if you are writing ES6 code, what is the ES6 features? Import, export. Let me try one more time. ES6 features also. Suppose I am the developer myself, Narsimha. I'm writing ES6 format, but definitely we are losing the compatibility. To get that one, definitely we need to do something that we are going to discuss. Before that, what are the ES6 new features in JavaScript? Like, let me understand array supporting functions, array supporting functions, supporting functions like array dot map, array dot for each. Yes or no? For
Yes.
each, for each, and map and reduce. Okay, like so many methods are there. And second, object destructuring, object destructuring. And the third one, like object destructuring, import export, import export, import and export, import and export. So in here only we do need to discuss about named import, named export. And next one is class also, and class and fat arrow function, also. Okay. And the fifth one, async await, async and await, and you can say promise and closures also not a issue. So this is my dollar, nothing but terminal string, nothing but terminal string. Okay. So so many features is there. What is the seventh one? Might be spread operator and rest operator. Spread and rest operator. Rest operator. Nothing but extract and copy. Extract and copy. These are the ES6 features. ES6 features. Okay. So if you are writing ES6 features, definitely we need to take care about browser compatibility. Browser compatibility. Compatibility. Okay. Let understand this one here. Let understand more over this one. Okay. Fine. So let me here, if you are using ES6 code, what is this one? It is line number 4, ES6 code, right? So
Yes.
even your Node.js is unable to execute also, unable to execute definitely. So usually, right, we have to use some other mechanism to suppose we are as a manager or a client, we are allowing to developer to write ES6 code, but execution time we are going to preset into ES5 code only. Definitely ES5, if you are writing code in the form of ES5, it is providing almost 100% browser compatibility. Browser compatibility. So definitely we need to solve like this only. So as a as a programmer or a developer, we are writing ES6. Definitely need to compile to ES5 and try to do your best like this only. So now how to preset? So as a programmer, I'm writing code in the form of ES6. Then how to write ES5? How to preset? How to preset to ES5? How to preset to ES5? That is a question now. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to give a step-by-step process to you. You'll get one idea. You'll get one idea. Okay. Take a 1 minute break. I'll come back and you'll get one idea. Okay. Yes, buddy. Just buddy, let me understand this one. We are creating a server or not? Here. Within few lines only, we are creating server, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maybe same thing only using HTTP, but here is routing is very simple here. Routing is very simple here. Let me check 1 minute only. Yeah. Hello. Yes. So let it. So
Yes, sir.
what is the error here we are getting? Cannot use import statement outside the module. So definitely we need to allow user to write programming style is ES6, but at the time of running, we need to preset it to ES5 only. ES5 only. So for this one, we have one transpiler is there. As of now, we know compiler. Okay, compiler or interpreter so both the duty is same, right? Interpreter, compiler and interpreter duty is very same. Just as a programmer, we are writing a code in the form of high level. We are using compiler or interpreter to convert to low level code. Nothing but human readable format to machine readable binary format. Okay, human readable format to machine readable format. Now I'm going to give one more thing, that is a transpiler. Transpiler. So transpiler duty is very simple. Just presetting or forward setting. Presetting, suppose if you are writing coding style in the form of ES6, we need to preset it to ES5. So definitely you are presetting to ES5. So it is completely 100% compatible to all environments. So let me go to the what is a Babel. Let me understand. We have one Babel transpiler is there. Babel transpiler. Babel is a JavaScript compiler. Just here clearly telling this, put in next generation JavaScript and get browser compatible JavaScript out. Suppose let me write something here. Import, see this one. I'm going to write something here. Import Express from Express. So this is a more readable and most efficient. So, but it is not compatible to all your browsers. So import is the new feature in ES6. So it is not compatible to all browsers, all environments. So definitely, which is the more suitable this one? This is a more suitable this one. Definitely, this is a not easy for us for me as a developer writing code in the form of ES6. But for getting compatibility, we need to preset to ES5 only. ES5 only. Let me hear set how to set your project ES6 compatible. But execution time we need to move to ES5 only. That's why I'm going to give the step by step to you. Step by step to you will get one idea. First one, step one. You need to I need to just you need to follow my instructions. You'll get one idea. Install Babel packages. Install Babel packages. So let me go with this one. So basically, right, I'm going to one go only. I'm going to install all my packages. npm install. Okay, install. Just your hands has 5 fingers, right? Like I required 5 packages. Let me try this one. Express. Already I installed Express, and the next one is at the rate Babel core. Babel core at the rate Babel core at the rate Babel register. Okay, next one is Babel. I think is not required. Babel preset env. Preset env. Let me try this one. These are the packages, but just these are the packages. Next one is Babel polyfill. Babel polyfills. Babel polyfills. So we require these 5 packages. These five packages from the npm js, from the npm js.com. Okay. So I'm going to install all packages one go only. This is my step one. This is my step one. So let me try this one. You'll get one idea. Let me another step you need to take care about. Step two, that is so we need to create one Babel RC file. Babel RC file. Babel RC file. Nothing but it is a Babel configuration file. Babel configuration file. Like git ignore is there na? Like this, I'm going to create one Babel RC file, configuration file. And we need to write some one object only. I told you this one, just very simple. That is, let me, it's better to copy paste only. Okay. So no need to remember it is a one time activity only. No need to remember it is a one time activity only. Now the game will start now. Basically, we are writing, suppose, right? App.js is my root actually. App.js is my root. App.js, and I have the lot of routings and modules. All the files are there. All the files are there. So your node is the root point. Node is the node is or node environment will not recognize the ES6 format. ES6 format. That's why what I'm doing. So while I'm adding the one entry point file name, entry point. So node is executing one entry point file. That is we are writing ES5 code only. Then that is calling ES6 code only. ES6 code only. You will get one idea. Just follow these instructions. Let me create one start.js. Okay, start.js file. You can give anything, not a issue. This is a entry point of your app, entry point of your app, of your app. Okay. And the last step, very simple step, change package.json file settings. Package.json file settings. Very simple, you'll get one idea. Package.json file settings. Okay, that's very simple. Only step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So just install the required packages and just create a .babelrc file and create one start.js file and change the package.json file. That's all. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Let me install the packages. Let me install the packages. You'll get one idea. So I'm taking one more now. CD Node.js 3. So npm install already express already is there babel slash core at the rate babel slash register and uh, let me check something. So I think according to me babel core babel register, let me check something. Babel, go to npm.js. It is np I think babel polyfill, right? One more is babel polyfill. Babel polyfill. Babel polyfill, yes. Okay, let me check the package name. Okay, it's searching babel polyfill. Exactly, I'm taking this one. Babel polyfill. Yeah, just I'm taking babel polyfill. So what is the package name? Babel. Yes, Jay. Yeah, fine. Babel polyfill. Babel hyphen polyfill. Okay. Let me install, I think one more missing. Okay, let me install these three packages. Okay, I told you, right? So if you want enable your application has ES6, this is the steps actually. So as a programmer, first time you need to follow this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so you need to, how many fingers you have? 5 fingers. Just maybe plenty of ways is there, but I'm giving a traditional approach, you'll get one idea. Install the babel packages. Okay, express, babel core, babel register, babel preset env, and polyfills, all and polyfills only. Okay, I think it's a at the rate only. Okay, I think at the rate only it is. Okay, 3 at the rate symbols. Yeah, now check your package.json file. So check the dependencies section. Babel core, Babel register, Babel polyfills. Let me install another missing one. npm install. I think at the rate Babel preset env. So preset env. Let me install the required packages. Let me install the required packages. What is the first one? Step 1 is completed. What is the second step? You need to create Babel RC file, nothing but Babel configuration file. Dot Babel RC. Dot Babel RC. So here you need to write something. You need to write something. Let me try this one. I told you, right? Only one object you need to pass. Nothing but it is object only. What you have to write inside? Just one property name presets, and you need to provide just information. Already we installed something. We installed like a Babel preset, right? I think Babel preset env already we installed. Preset env. Just now we install Babel preset env only. Go to package.json. See this one. How many packages here? 5 packages we installed. 5 packages. Babel core, Babel preset env, register, and polyfills. Just I'm going to declare my web, just dot babel, just I created a babel configuration file, and it has just passing the property name and value. So second one also completed. Let me go to the third one. So why we required start.js? That is $1 million question. Don't worry, because your entry point we are bypassing, that's all. Suppose, right, this is my entry application entry point is app.js, but I'm writing coding style is ES6. So definitely your node is not working. Definitely I need to convert to ES5 only. That's why I'm using app.js. That's why I'm using app.js. Okay, I don't want to entry point. I'm changing the entry point app.js to start.js only. Let me create one more file, start.js, start.js. So here what I have to write, here, just I need to import, my module. Just it is a ES5 syntax, but yeah, I'm going to write ES5 syntax only. At the rate Babel reset en, I think register, and just I'm going to pass, very simple. I'm going to invoke this one, and just I'm passing the empty object. That's all. Then I need to export my module dot exports and equal to require. And what you want, which file you want to invoke, execute this one, app.js only, app.js only, and app.js. This is my app.js file. Okay. So we are writing ESC start.js. As a developer, I'm writing ES5 code only, but we are importing app.js. Okay. Are you getting this one? Third one. Okay. Go to package.json file and see, still it is running app.js, right? What is your file you want to run? Start.js only. Start.js only. Okay, so 4 things. Let me, I don't want this one, npm start, now. So fine. Now it is not, see this one, server is running on port number 8000. There is no error now. And earlier, what is this? We are getting error, right? Import, right? If you are writing import statement, definitely it is throwing one error. Now we can write ES6 code effectively. You can write ES6 code effectively. See this one, this is a line number 3 is a, line number 4 is the ES5 code. Now we are writing ES6 code. ES6 code. Now we are getting this one. It's 5 points, buddy. Just I'll give the documentation to you. Don't worry. Just you need to install required packages, like required Babel packages. You required 4 Babel packages and 1 Express package also you required. Okay. Now, what package we required? Babel core, Babel register, Babel preset, Babel polyfill, and Express also. Second one, you need to create Babel configuration file. Nothing but just I'm passing one object only. It contains some values. What it contains actually? So if you go to the Babel RC file, just presets env and corresponding file. If you go to preset, just Babel RC file, it has only one parameter is there. Property name presets env, corresponding package name is preset env only. Then usually application entry point is app.js, but app.js we are writing the code in the form of ES6 only, but so I need to bypass that one. That's why I changing node entry point should be ES5 code only. My 5 code, ES5 code is calling the ES6 code. That's all. And I'm going to change the package.json file also to execute all these things properly. I hope you're getting this one.
Yes, sir. Sir, in start
Yes.
JS,
Yeah.
sir, go to the start JS.
Yes. Go to go in the start.js. This is a module.exports is then this is the exports. It is not export default or
Yes,
export.
fine, sir. This is an ES5 only, right?
ES5 code only. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So why we are writing ES code? Because my application entry point is start.js.
Yes, okay.
Because application entry point file is ES5 code only, but it is invoking, it is it is exporting app.js only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's all. Just see, there is a plenty of ways is where we need to follow something.
Mm.
Okay. So now onwards, we are going to write ES6 code only. ES6 code only. Any doubts regarding this one? I'll cover it all these things. Don't worry at all. Just you need to follow all these things. Let me write some class notes also if you want. And Node.js, let me create one class notes also. Okay. So what is our objective? Node.js ES6 environment. ES6, right? Node.js with ES6. First one is step one. Step one. What is step one? Install required packages. Very simple. That is okay. npm install express ex press express and @ babel core at the rate Babel. See, there is a buddy, no need to remember buddy, okay? Register at the rate Babel, I think preset env, preset env. Last one is Babel polyfills, polyfill. Okay, that's all. Step 2. Step 2.
Bebelars, dot Bebelars.
Dot Babel RC. Babel RC, nothing but just a Babel configuration file. Configuration file. And I'm going to write something here, empty object. I'm passing empty object, right? Here I'm passing one property name, and the property name is presets. I think presets only. Babel RC, it has presets only. Babel RC presets only. Value is, and you can give anything. You can give anything. Nothing but here what I'm passing here, not anything. Definitely we have to give proper. A is A, B is B only. Okay.
We need to go this one only, na, sir?
Yeah, we need to give like this.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Copy. Still any doubt is there? Yes. Now, step 2.
This.
Step 3. What is step 3?
Start
We
dot.
need- Yeah, start.js. Okay. And inside, right, we need to write the code. Start.js. Okay. Step 4. Okay. What is step 4? Can anything, you can take it like here only, na?
Yeah,
Package.json file settings. Package.json file setting. Okay. File setting. And the start.js is the entry point of your application. Entry point of your application. That's all. Okay. Keep it all these things one time. You'll get one idea. Okay. Just step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Step 1 is install the required packages and create one BabelRC file and create one start.js file. That's enough to us. Okay. Have a glance once all these things, will get one idea. Okay. What, Jai?
Yes, sir.
This is a one-time activity for at the time of backend project setup only. Manager or a team lead or senior software engineer will do this activity. Okay. Here nothing to worry here. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. I'm uploading the video and code also to you. I'll immediately you'll get one idea. Okay. Please try to complete this one also. You'll get one idea. All these things. Yes. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Good night. Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night, sir.
Yeah. Good night.